Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your Google Meet on your Android or iPhone. So I'm provide full guide and step by step. Please don't skip my video. So simply at first open my Google Meet apps, press on to new. Okay. Okay. Sam received the call. Sam just to record this. Press on three dot. Press on tools. Settings. But there are not showing here to exactly record option. Okay, don't upset. Go back. Open your settings. Press on apps. And you just open your Meet apps. And make sure to turn on to microphone. Okay, I'm already turned on this. Sam recorder skin. Okay, at first go to my control center and long press. This is my screen recorder. Make sure to turn on microphone and click on to start recording. Okay, now start this video to record, and the same way to Android. Go to my control center, and as you can see showing it to screen recording. Press on to start screen recording. Okay, once it complete, to stop. Okay, and stop. So go back, close this call and open my gallery. So as you can see, now recently record this call. So that's it. That's how you can do it.